Hello everyone, I'm Shaurya and today I will be giving you the solution video of problem first from the TCP Open Contest 1. I hope you enjoyed the contest as well as the problem. So let's jump directly into the problem. The problem is the smart raccoon. Dr. Duncanstein, the smart raccoon, has found a sequence of n trash cans on a street. We all know how much raccoons love trash cans. Each trash can has a color represented by an integer. Being a curious raccoon, he wants to know how many different colors are present in the sequence. The input format is the first number is n, the number of trash cans, and the second line represents n space separated integers that represents the color of each trash can. N can go up to 1e5 and array of I can go up to 1e9. Okay. Output we have to just print the different number of colors present. So let's say the sample input. We have 5 trash cans. So let me create 5 trash cans. Okay. The first trash can has a color of 1. The second trash can has a color of 2. The third trash can has a color of 3. The fourth trash can again has a color of 2. The fifth trash can has a color of 1. So as you can clearly see, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So in total we have 3 different colors, right? So what we can do, we can use a map in this to store different number of colors and store their frequencies. Okay, so the input was 5 1 2 3 2 1. So in a map we will store 1, the frequency will update to 1, 2 updates to 1, 3 updates to 1, we encounter 2 again, it updates to 2, we encounter 1, it updates to 2. So overall we can see we have 3 different colors. So that is our answer. Let's jump into the coding part. In this, what I'm doing, I'm taking the input and the number of trash cans or the size of the array. Then I'm taking the input of the array. Then I've created a map here. Okay, it is an ordered map. Then one by one I'm inserting all the elements of the array into the map by increasing their frequency by 1. And at the end the answer is nothing but the size of the map, right? So let's discuss the time complexity of it. The time complexity is big O of n log n. N yn to iterate over the array and log n to insert it into the map, right? So why am I using map instead of unordered map? We all know unordered map have a time complexity of big O of 1 of insertion, right? But the problem with unordered map is it uses hashing. And the problem with hashing is it can happen that it may give collisions, right? So we can generate a sample test case in such a way that collisions will happen again and again. So the worst time complexity for insertion in an unordered map is big O of n. So overall the time complexity will become big O of n square, which will surely give a TLE, right? Hence I never would suggest, if you're a beginner, don't use unordered map anyways. Use map only, right? If you're sure that the collisions will not occur, then you may use unordered map, else use map only. Now another observation is here the A of I is going up to 1e9, right? What if it was going up to 1e5 or 1e6, right? Then what we can do, we can create a separate vector of frequency, right? We can create, let's say n is equals to 1e5 plus 2. Then we can create a vector of frequency of size n plus 1, initialize it with 0. And in each step we will increase the frequency count. we will increase the frequency of x by 1. Okay, but if the n is 1 in 9, we cannot use this technique. Why? Because we cannot create a vector of size 1 in 9. It will surely give you MLE, that is memory limit exceeded. Okay, so this was a solution video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment. Thank you.